divide this for ad rank, because ad rank plays a major role, and it can if the quality score goes up, our CPC, the average CPC will come down, the amount that we will be paying, that will come down because of the proper quality score that we have. The highest is the quality score, the lesser the amount you will be paying. Then you have the impression analysis, then you have the click analysis and the keyword analysis. With that, one more we can add up with the campaign level is the schedule analysis, to know that if for 15 days we ran a campaign for morning 8 to evening 8 o'clock, is it only happening on the, as my friend said, that it might be a difference in the weekdays and the weekends. So we can know that if we ran the campaign without having any segregation of weekdays or weekend, we ran the campaign.
Okay.
And after that, if we do a segregation of weekdays and weekend in the timing, like we increase 2 hours or 3 hours in the weekends, we can know from our report that yes, this is going to work if we increase the time. And yes, obviously the daily budget that you'll be spending will be more in that case, but this report can be taken out from the data that we have from for last 15 days of running the campaign.
Okay, just to conclude here, whatever the point he has made is more around time specific analysis report. So he's trying to let us know that the campaign that we all have run, whether it we ran it for all the 7 days in a week, whether it has performed really well on weekdays or on weekends. One, or even you can pick up one more thing from here. How did it perform all the given days of the week? For example, how did it perform on Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday to Thursday? So accordingly, you can do the budget planning, because this type of report analysis will more help you with the budget analysis on it. How do you want to segregate your budget after knowing this report? Same way from hourly report also, like morning, midnight to let's say the whole 24 hours, how did it perform? Whether it was really good in the morning or in the afternoon or evening. So whatever statement he has made is more specific to the time wise, making use of the analysis. Okay, and then trying to improvise the campaign. Yes, next.
Next we have is the quality score analysis for the ad rank. As I said before, the quality score analysis will include your keyword analysis and majorly your ad copy analysis. Okay, there you can know that the ad copies around the similar keywords which you use and your competitor use, whether your ad copies were more relevant or the competitor's ad copies were more relevant to the same keyword set that is being used for a specific campaign that is run. Okay, and then you have why you are not getting clicks on your ad copies. You can know that whether the ad copies you have is providing a urge to the customer to give a clicks or not. Okay. Because impressions are being generated, but you are not getting any clicks. That means your keywords are relevant. That's why the search that being used in the particular target location, your ad copies are being shown, but you are not getting any clicks. And if you are also seeing in the search term report that for the exact match type of the keywords that is being used, the ad copy is being triggered, then what's the point of not getting a click on the ad copy? It's more around the ad copy structure that you have. It is not that much provocating that you will get the click.
Okay. So it's not because of the attractiveness of the ad copies. Even it can be because of the ad positions also.
Correct. So
yes,
see
yes.
The point what he is making here. First of all, he is starting with the quality score analysis. One. From there, he is trying to jump onto the relevancy of the keyword to the ad copy, and again checking from the match type point of view also whether the keyword was in broad, phrase or exact, and again how related or how specific was that particular match type around the keyword to the ad copies. So around this three combination, he is trying to understand why the quality score got impacted. So he is trying to do an analysis from the quality score point of view. Got the point? So see, we can, let's say quality score counts from 1 to 10. Okay, you can put some reports like this. First of all, let's say how, so you can group, even I told you what is the meaning of a keyword if it is between 1 to 3. So we always say that 1 to 3 any keyword is actually bad. Second, we say any keyword between 4 to 6 is average. 7 is good and 8 to 10 is excellent. So now, when we know this type of category formation we have made for the quality score, then the second thing we want to know, while we ran the campaign for 15 days, how many keywords count fell in this particular quality score group. So let's say out of our 100 keywords that we ran with the performance, the total number of keyword count that fell in between this group of 1 to 3 were, let's say, 15. 4 to 6 was, let's say, 25. 7, let's say it was 40, and 8 to 10 would be 20. So we got to know that this many keywords fell in this category. Then, what is the performance out of those keywords? Click, impressions, CTR, CPC and everything. Again, if you want to do one more thing over here, 1 to 3. Okay, while they were in a given match type of broad, exact and phrase, how did it perform? So how many keywords those were between the group of 1 to 3, and again within the match type of broad to exact and phrase, what was their performance? So you can do lot of things between them. And then you can conclude, and tomorrow you are very sure that I would like to go with this particular strategy, but I would not go with that end because I feel as per my statistics it didn't support me a lot. So see, it is all about playing with the data and concluding. Yes, next.
Next, we'll go to the click analysis.
Okay.
In this, the click analysis gives us the report of why there is no search for our given keyword. Okay, and that is more around the targeting option that we are using.
Okay.
Because while doing the targeting for a particular location, we have to be very much particular about how people are searching.
No, when you talk about click analysis, what is the main thing? Like, what is that you're trying to draw out from that?
Majorly, what here I am focusing is if your ad copy is being shown,
Okay.
why there is no clicks. First,
Okay, why this?
the click analysis.
Okay.
Why we are impression as the report we take out
So
that
basically, it's an impression and click analysis report.
impression and click analysis report that we need to have. Then at the end, which we have is the keyword analysis, which is the major part.
Okay.
In the keyword analysis, the three things we need to majorly focus on is the keyword match type analysis.
Okay.
And then we
Okay.
have the
Very nice.
keyword search term report analysis.
Very nice.
And the third one we have the keyword bid amount analysis.
Very good.
Because at the end of the day, we have a specific amount on which we can bid.
Very good.
As in our campaign, we can't go above 55 or 60.
Yes.
So there are keywords which are giving you impressions and click, but the position is less.
Very
Let's suppose we are having a keyword in a campaign, the position is at number 7.
Okay.
But I can't just blindly increase the bid because I am already sitting on 50 or 55.
Correct.
So that might be a relevant keyword for my ad copy, but I need to use the other match types of that keyword so that I can bid less and get the same amount of impression or click for that particular ad copy.
Now he is trying to conclude this at this point. But when we planned to start with this particular campaign, we said let's do one thing. The same keyword, okay, we can target in 3 different match types at the initial stage itself, and we will see how each one of them is performing. Accordingly, we will say these 2 can be paused and the best one can always be made active. So if you can take this action at the starting itself, then this conclusion at this point of time sometimes might be confusing for you. So you don't have to do that. You can take it at the starting level. Okay. Then anything else? Guys? We have already discussed. I made some more points. Location. Okay. So you can pull out location performance report. See, all these reports are there in the dimension tab. Location performance report. So you get to know, okay, around which all given locations, how much of traffic you were able to accumulate, what was the performance out of it. So later, any new campaigns you plan to target for the same region, you are very specific that the people from this region or from this radius are only typing your keywords. So I would only go with those things. I will not target the whole of Bangalore or the whole of India, because you have a report, you have a stats, and these stats are basically concluding what the performance is all about. So when you have the performance in front of you, then why do you still want to go with the assumption? Like how you said. Okay, what was your statement?
Low search volume.
Low search volume, not low search volume.
The weekends.
Weekends. Yes. The question is, no, you said I would like to
Increase the
increase the timing from 10 to 12. The question is why you are making an assumption here. You have statistics. draw out the statistics, analyze it. From that only you will conclude, yes, I really want to go from 10 to 12 because the report justify the same given statement. So you have the supporting level of data to conclude whether you should take an action or not. Okay. Location, match type,
Device.
okay, device, anything else? Anything else? Okay. Now, position wise, if a keyword, you have to also analyze. Okay. If the keyword, the keywords which were between 1 to 3 position, what was the total performance around that? The keywords when it was between 4 to 6, what was the performance around that? So you know that from the next time onwards, I would not try to target my keyword position in the first to 3, like 1 to 3. Rather, I will try to place it in 4 to 6 because my performance analysis make sure that 4 to 6 is the right level of position for my keywords and I get a good conversion out of it. Because you can do all these different type of reports with the help of pivot table. So you know that 1 to 3 impression, click, CTR, conversion date, CPA. 4 to 6 and anything 7 and greater. So you can find out this type of reports also.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
My ad question is first step. First. Okay.
Yes.
I'm getting only impression. I'm not getting the clicks. For that reason, I have to reduce the bid or I have to change the ad copy.
This one.